Today is Saturday. So, as usual, Saturday mornings, we have this project management training online. So, in today's session, one senior project manager with almost 15 plus years of experience raised this question: can AI agents replace me as a project manager? If that is the case, what is the point in studying project management? Because anyway, I'll be jobless after some time. That triggered the necessity for a video like this to throw some insight into the whole process, and we'll also discuss about what will be the likely outcome, how can we counter it. Because new technologies will come in, paradigm shifts will come in, new tech disruptors will come in. In the past, I have seen this multiple times. Every 10 years, we see some sort of a disruptor uh, coming in. Because before it was when I started programming work, it was all Unix boxes. Then the client server architecture came in. So we have to relearn a lot of things, unlearn and relearn a lot of things. Then cloud came in. Again, we have to unlearn and relearn a lot of things. Project management also was changing. We had the traditional project management, and then we moved on to agile and then hybrid. So things will change. So how we can approach it positively as an see it as an opportunity than as a threat. That is the right thing we should be doing as professionals. So in this video, let us take a closer look at what is really AI agents. So these days, everybody claims that their product is AI enabled, but if you have to evaluate what is real AI enablement, what is a true AI agent? First, let us understand the characteristics of a true AI agent. What is a true AI agent criteria? I asked this question to Gemini, and Gemini gave me these answers. The first point is perception of the environment. So, an AI agent should have a real time perception of the environment in which it is operating. This can be achieved with the help of sensors, cameras, etc., etc. So it cannot be totally detached from the environment in which it is operating. So it should get a perception, it should be able to sense the environment. Then the point number two is autonomy and decision making. The AI agent should be able to make decisions without frequent human intervention. So it should be able to make decisions by itself. Then the third key criteria is a goal-oriented behavior. So whatever decisions an AI agent makes, that should that should be focused at a goal. We should be able to accomplish a goal. So it cannot be a diverse set of decisions it is making, which doesn't drive the whole project into a particular goal. So AI agents should be that decisions that an AI agent make should drive towards a goal. Then AI agent should be both proactive and reactive. When we say proactive, an AI agent should be able to give uh, lead indicators. Means before the problem happens, it should be able to warn us or give us indicators saying that if the going is like this, the project will head towards these kind of scenarios. So this cautioning or this lead indicators an AI should be able to provide, an AI agent should be able to provide. Then reactive indicators also. That means when things go wrong, let us say schedule variance happened, immediately it should indicate or it should highlight it. A task slippage happened, it should highlight it. Whereas in a proactive mode, it should pinpoint which are all the tasks that is going to be delayed. That is proactiveness. So a good AI agent should have both this proactive capability as well as reactive capabilities. Then learning and adaptation. An AI agent must be learning continuously and adapting continuously based on that learning. This is a key criteria. If the model doesn't learn anything, then we should realize that there is no AI in it. It is a glorified search engine which is given to you with the wrong description or with the wrong label as a AI agent. A true AI agent should learn by itself and adapt by itself based on the learning. For that, we need real project execution data. And a good AI agent should be able to integrate with other tools available in the environment, and sometimes it may have to use the other AI agents operating along with it, and sometimes it may have to interact with the outside the boundaries of the organization also to get and integrate with uh, other tools, uh, AI and non-AI related tools and databases available outside the organization boundaries as well. Then point number 7 is a true AI agent should have memory. It should be able to remember things. It must be context aware. So whatever decisions it has taken in the past, that is a learning for it. So it should remember those decisions. So these are the criteria to label something as a AI agent. So whatever tool or whichever tool that doesn't meet this criteria, that is not truly AI agent enabled. Now let us take a. Now we saw the criteria to call something as a true AI agent, and now let us take a look at the current project management scenarios. See, from this AI agent criteria, it is very evident that an AI agent to function properly, it need clean data, clean and current data. Only then it can provide us with both proactive and reactive uh, guidances to manage the project. So data is the key in AI enablement. Let us take a look at the present scenario of the project management environments. So if you take construction projects, uh, companies have discrete systems in place. Any construction project, or yeah, it has multiple stakeholders involved in the project. We have the owner, we have the project management consultants, then we have the contractors, subcontractors, etc. And these people may be using different systems. For example, for scheduling, Some of the stakeholders may be using MS Project, somebody else may be using Primavera, somebody else may be using something else, somebody may be using Excel sheet. That is one problem. Heterogeneous systems used for the same function across stakeholders. Then again, if you take a single organization itself, they may have a planning system in place, a scheduler in place. They may have a project management information system, some of them. Then a lot of things they may be doing through their ERP software. Then they have this BIM software is there. So different pieces of software, and very often they are not integrated. So we have islands of information, and it is very difficult to collate uh, meaningful information from these information data islands. Second key challenge is delays in progress updates. Now, somebody may update the progress on a weekly basis. Somebody else may update it on a monthly basis. Somebody will update it on a Monday. Somebody else may update it on a Thursday, etc., etc. So, and if there is a delay, then project nobody will get the progress information on time. And even when we get that progress information, we are not very sure whether it is accurate or not. First problem is that we don't get the information on time. Second problem is sometimes we cannot trust it because it's all coming from discrete systems and people do data entry and we don't know whether it is correct or not. Then low accuracy, which we already discussed, and lack of transparency. Because of all these things, multiple stakeholders operating concurrently on the project using discrete systems, we definitely lack transparency into what is really happening. Uh, all these things results in point number one, that is lack of historical data. And if you don't have historical data, uh, AI agents cannot function. They cannot make the right decisions. They are bound to fail. And most of the time, project managers are very reactive in nature. Even if we call people as project managers, very few of them are using real project management work. The rest are all doing project coordination work. So a good starting point in the AI journey is the implementation of a project management information system. So what is a project management information system? What can it do for us? In a nutshell, a project management information system integrates with all other discrete systems that is existing in an organization and sometimes across stakeholders, and it creates a layer. It pulls out data from all these uh, discrete systems, and it can provide us with almost real time data. How it works and all is outside the purview of this current discussion. So, in the future, I'll come out with a detailed video on how a typical project management information system works and how it can eliminate the data progress update, manual progress update, how it can eliminate that part. For that, I'll record another video. Now, given that this is the scenario in majority of the projects, AI will take some time to get institutionalized because now they have to get their project management information systems right so that they can have clean and reliable data and timely data available. Then only they can really start their AI journey. And once a clean data is available, then a true AI agent can perform at its peak potential and give us lead and lag indicators consistently so that we can make the major, we can make more effective decisions. Now let us come back to the question. Can AI replace a project manager? That was the fundamental point of our discussion. Now we understood what is a true AI agent. We understood the current scenarios that is existing in the project environments. Now let us go back to the conclusion part. Now, will AI agents replace me as a project manager in the near future? Now, what is the conclusion? AI agents are here. They are very beneficial for project management, and over a period of time, they will mature. The systems will mature, and it can be a great boost to a special category of project managers. Basically, we can see two types of project managers. One is proactive project managers. They rely on lead indicators to make their decisions. So 80% of their work will be proactive in nature, and 20% can be reactive and firefighting. Then there is another set of project managers whose title is whose title can be project manager, but actually what they're doing is project coordination work. They can be in trouble when AI comes in. The project managers, the so-called project managers whose majority of the work is just coordination activities, they can be in real trouble immediately. But if you are a good project manager with a fair understanding of professional project management based on global standards, from a practitioner's perspective, we should know how all the components work together and deliver the system. For example, if you have to implement an S curve for progress, we need to have the work packages in place. We need to know the start date and end date. And only then we get the plan value. And against that, we have to plot the earn value. So the schedule progress we need to get. So we need to understand what is a WBS, what is a work package, what are activities, how are they sequenced, what is the impact of critical path on projects, what are near critical paths, what is fast tracking, crashing. So we need to understand how all these things work together to deliver the results of the project. So we call it as a systems approach to project management. So as a project manager, we should understand how these discrete systems work together and help the project to succeed. That is one. The second thing is definitely we should learn more and more about artificial intelligence, because artificial intelligence can play in the longer run, it can play a major role in uh, almost every sphere of project management. AI can play a major role in scope management. AI can play a major role in cost management, risk management, procurement management. Typically, almost all areas of project management, AI will get in. So, as proactive project managers, we should understand and we should proactively master and inquire on the emerging project management tools with embedded AI capabilities and we should know how they can be leveraged for managing projects better. At the same time, if you're a project coordinator, master professional project management based on the globally accepted project management best practices that will give you the foundation of project management. Then learn project management more, because if you go by certifications like PMP, etc., that gives just the foundational knowledge. But when you get into the real construction projects, things are much more complex. So it is a continuous learning journey. So master professional project management, improve the domain knowledge, and improve the AI knowledge as well. So you can be very effective in the AI environment. But if you are a project coordinator, please realize it, get out of your comfort zone, and try to become true project managers who can drive the projects to success proactively. Thank you very much.